Ever wondered how you could turn your home into a lush paradise and breathe easier while you're at it? Or maybe you've been searching for that secret ingredient to better sleep. Well, hold on to your pillows, because today we're diving into superhero plants that'll freshen up your air and knock you out. Plus, stick around until the end, because number 1 is going to blow your mind. Kicking things off at number 10, we have the Aglaonema. This plant is perfect if you're a bit forgetful. Let's be honest, we've all been there. You buy a plant, then completely forget it exists for weeks on end. Well, Aglaonema's cool with that. It's a low-maintenance plant that thrives on minimal care. And it's not just good-looking with its colorful leaves, it's also an air-purifying pro. It filters out toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. So, while you're forgetting to water it, it's quietly cleaning the air for you. Number 9 is the Boston Fern, also known as the hairdo of the plant world. Its fluffy fronds are not just there for show. This beauty is a natural humidifier, which means it's perfect if you're dealing with dry air. It loves to absorb moisture, so it's great for your skin, your lungs, and it'll even keep your house from feeling like the Sahara. Just make sure to give it a good misting every now and then to keep those fronds happy and hydrated. Sliding in at number 8 is the parlor palm, and this plant is all about elegance. It's perfect for your living room because it adds a touch of class. I mean, it's called a parlor palm for a reason, right? But don't let its sophisticated looks fool you. This plant is tough and it's quietly working away in the background, cleaning up the air, removing toxins like benzene and carbon monoxide. So your living room gets an air purifier that looks like it belongs in a Victorian mansion. How cool is that? All right, we're only at number 8, and already we've got a killer lineup of plants. If you're loving the list so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. At number 7, we've got the Monstera. You've seen it on Instagram, in Pinterest boards, and probably in every trendy coffee shop. But there's more to this plant than just being photogenic. Its big, holy leaves aren't just for aesthetics. They actually help the plant absorb more light and air, making it super efficient at cleaning up your indoor environment. Plus, it's a fast grower, so if you've got a green thumb, Monstera will turn your space into a jungle in no time. Number 6 is pothos, or devil's ivy. And trust me, this plant is far from devilish. It's actually one of the easiest plants to grow. This vine can handle low light, low water, and even low attention. So if you're a plant novice, this one's perfect for you. It's like the chill roommate who never complains and just quietly does their chores. It's also known for removing formaldehyde, making your air fresher without any extra effort. Plus, its trailing vines look stunning on a shelf or hanging basket. At number 5, we've got the regal peace lily. If this plant had a theme song, it would be I Will Survive. Why? Because it thrives in low light. It barely needs water, and it cleans your air like a pro. This plant removes toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde. It's also one of the few plants that blooms indoors, so while it's purifying your air, it'll reward you with beautiful white flowers. Basically, the peace lily is your all-in-one air purifier and decor centerpiece. Number 4 brings us lucky bamboo. It's not only an air purifier, but also a symbol of good fortune in many cultures. If you're into feng shui, this is a must-have. It's believed to bring positive energy, and who couldn't use a little extra good vibes, right? Even if luck's not on your mind, lucky bamboo is perfect for any low-light spot in your home. It doesn't need much to thrive, and it'll quietly help clean the air, making your home feel like a Zen retreat. At number 3 is Aloe Vera. Yes, the same plant you reach for when you get a sunburn. But did you know it's also a natural air filter? Aloe Vera works its magic by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen during the night, which makes it perfect for the bedroom. It's like your personal air purifier that doubles as a skincare product. Plus, if you need a little DIY face mask or skin remedy, just snip a leaf, and you're good to go. Alright, we're getting down to the top 2. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more plant hacks and tips to turn your home into a green sanctuary. Number 2 is the lady palm, and this plant means business when it comes to purifying air. It's one of the best at removing formaldehyde, ammonia, and other nasty pollutants from the air. It's like having a mini air filter that just happens to look fabulous in any room. Bonus, it's pet-friendly, so you don't have to worry about your furry friends nibbling on it. And now, for the plant that will blow your mind, the snake plant. This plant's a legend in the indoor plant world, and it's not hard to see why. It doesn't just clean your air during the day. It's one of the few plants that actually purifies air at night. It absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen while you sleep, making it the perfect companion for your bedroom. You can rest easy knowing this tough little plant is working hard to improve your air quality while you snooze. Plus, it's almost impossible to kill, so even if you're a plant beginner, you're in safe hands. Which one are you adding to your home? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant tips and hacks. See you next time.